Then for dessert, we have
Peach mango pie.
peach mango pie. And kutkutin in between.
Crisp cut fries.
Crisp cut fries. Okay? Let's start with the crisp cut fries, baby. Okay? With our first bite, okay?
Ito ready ka.
First bite.
Thank you, Lord.
Paano intro ni Kelly Chus?
Good morning, friends.
How about Giants Fan Vlog?
Hello, mga ka-friendies.
Good day mga ka-foodies. This is Jayzar Recinto.
And Miakka, Recinto.
Welcome back to my channel.
It's a beautiful day and we have a very special mukbang for you. And we are gonna eat Jollibee.
Ayan. So, kung hindi po kayo namamalikmat ha, meron po akong batang kasama. This is my daughter. This is my 9-year-old daughter, Miakka. You might have seen her sa mga day in the life vlogs ko. Tapos matagal na niya ako kinukulit na gusto niya makasama sa mukbang since Jollibee is her favorite. Pagbibigyan natin ang kanyang wish. Are you excited, baby? Yes. Dahil special ang mukbang na ito, ang aking ka-collaboration ay ang aking daughter. Siyempre maganda. Dami tayong handa ngayon. So we have 3 different super meals. Tapos papakita ko sa inyo isa-isa and then may mga dagdag pa tayo. So this is the super meal. I think ito yung may mga yum burger.
Yes.
Anong mga kasama nito, baby?
Yum burger, spaghetti, fries, and ketchup.
Yes. So gupitin na natin to para mas madali. And so starting off strong with our first super meal. And then for this one we have yan. So we have spaghetti, chicken joy, and Shanghai.
It's my first time trying the Shanghai.
Talaga? You haven't tried Shanghai before? No, ano?
I think so, but last week is the one I tried the spaghetti last week.
Okay. And then for our third super meal, we have what is this?
Burger steak.
So spicy chicken joy, burger steak, and spaghetti. So ito yung sa akin. Tapos kulang sa daughter ko yung 1-piece chicken. So nag-order tayo ng 1-piece chicken joy. So alisin na natin tong rice kasi may rice na kami dito.
They're right then the Jollibee food are new because the rice looks like yum burger.
And palabok, chicken palabok, spicy chicken palabok. You haven't tried palabok before, right?
I tried the mang inasal but just a little bit.
Just a little bit. And then for dessert, we have
Peach mango pie.
peach mango pie. And kutkutin in between.
Crisp cut fries.
Crisp cut fries. Okay? Let's start with the crisp cut fries, baby. Okay? With our first bite, okay?
Ito ready ka.
First bite.
Thank you, Lord.
Tastes good? Kain po tayo.
Chili sauce.
Start tayo sa spaghetti.
The Shanghai is kind of yummy.
Yummy. Is it crunchy? One spaghetti, down. Why is Jollibee your favorite, baby?
Because when I was a baby, I usually try it, but when I grow up like 5 years old, I tried it and do you want to know what my most favorite is? It Jollibee chicken joy or burger steak?
Talaga.
My most favorite is it's the chicken joy. Guys, so you guys didn't know that there is a breakfast meal of the burger steak. It's the ultimate burger steak.
Hindi siya breakfast, baby. Yun yung may fries, di ba?
Yeah.
Yung malaking ano.
With big patty. last bite of Shanghai. Thank you, Lord.
Nagko-closing ka na.
I was just saying because there's only one Shanghai left.
No, mas si Daddy nakatigam ng Shanghai. Thank you. You gonna eat like... yung ano, gusto mong... You wanna eat like a burger?
Never mind.
Yung daughter ko kasi, sobrang hilig manood ng mga Pinoy mukbangers. Kung minsan siya pa yung nagre-remind sa akin, Daddy, may premiere si ganyan. Daddy, may premiere si ganyan. Sino mga favorite mukbangers mo, baby?
Eric Mukbang, Jayan's Fan Vlog, and Keggy Choose.
Who else?
You!
Wow, akala ko hindi kasama si Daddy eh. So first time niya lang makasama sa mukbang ko. Obviously, malakas din siya kumain. No?
Sometimes I usually have the french fries and dip it to the gravy.
Okay. Yan. There you go. Eat slowly, baby.
I'm not really a type of spaghetti, so this happens. When I ate Jollibee for dinner yesterday, and then I opened it, I was like, why is there a Yum Burger? But when I tried to open it so I can be like, oh, forget it, I can just eat it with Yum Burger. And when I opened it, what? It's rice!
Oo nga. I remember that. Tapos talaga nag-research pa yan. Nanood talaga ng mga Pinoy mukbangers ng nagja-Jollibee kung paano magmukbang ng Jollibee. So niya magkaroon ng sarili ng channel. Anong pangalan ng channel mo, baby?
Miakka's Wonderful Land.
Wow.
Kasi because I usually watch Unicorn Land movies.
Anong tawag mo sa mga subscribers, mga viewers mo?
Mga ka-unicorn.
Do you think maubos natin ito, baby?
I'm not sure, but
We're gonna try.
yeah, but we have some people that host with us, like my nanny, my grandpa and grandma host with us right now. So I think we're gonna give them some. So we're not sure yet. I finished the Shanghai, but there's chili sauce left. I'm gonna try it with the cheese.
French fries! Ubus na pala to.
700 mukbangers usually eat in hands.
Yun lang. Kalamansi hindi pa bukas. We're gonna have the palabok minus the kalamansi. Parang lahat ng nasa menu ng Jollibee na order natin, baby, ano?
I don't think so. We didn't put the sundae or the
Lahat, wala no?
yeah.
You want to taste the palabok? You want to try a little bit?
Okay.
Just a little bit. May spaghetti ka pa din ako gusto mo.
When I had McDo for lunch, and then it is a bit sad, but when I had McDo for lunch,
What happened?
I drank their pineapple juice before the chicken McDo, and then when I finished all of them, and then I went down to bonding with mommy, and then after that I vomited because I finished the juice first. I forgot to tell that I also like Charm Conception, but just 98% because I more like Kelly Chews.
Paano intro ni Kelly Chews?
Good morning, friends!
How about Giants Fan Vlog?
Hello, mga ka-friendies!
Si Eric Mukbang.
God, I didn't watch mukbangers.
Magandang good afternoon po.
Oh. I'm starting to love Visayas Studio like 95%.
Magaling yung baby. Nakaka-collab ni Daddy yun, di ba?
Yeah, your lechon baboy mukbang.
Anong intro ni Bisaya Studio?
Welcome back, mga ka-studio.
Welcome back mga ka-studio, di ba?
Yes. They had two lechon baboy mukbang. The first one is they have their son with but different collab, and then the second is you but they're both solo.
Ano sabi ni Giants, yung kinakwento mo, yung collab ni Giants Fan Vlogs kay Pretty Ricky, ano sabi niya?
Hello, Kuya Ricky, ako Yumi. I even made a pretend vlog, and then I pretend I collab them. And before I went to bed, it was like 11:45 p.m. I think there, and then after I did the pretend mukbang, Daddy was like, "Who is Pretty Ricky?" And then I told him that I really don't know the name, but I saw Giant just said that.
Sabi ko, how did you know Pretty Ricky?
Oh, I forgot.
Magaling din silang mukbangers, baby. So nagpa-practice siya eh. Narinig ko na lang siya isang gabi. Sabi niya, "Hello po, Pretty Ricky and Ate Yumi." Sabi ko, paano mo nakilala si Pretty Ricky? Narinig daw niya sa collab ni Giants Fan Vlog. Sino mga gusto mong makakollab, baby? Pag may channel ka na.
With mukbang.
Who else?
And food and travel.
Food and travel?
Jayan collab that when she did her butterfly squid mukbang. Actually, Jayan and Kelly's sing mukbang is quite related because Kelly says mukbang and hers is mukbang.
Giants Fan Vlog ang aming little Kelly Chews.
Yeah. First, when I started don't like mukbangers yet, then you showed me Ryan. I was like, ooh, shit, lots of food. Even she's just 10 years old, I think.
11.
You told me she's 12.
11 siya nung pinakita ko sa'yo.
In her lechon ulo mukbang, she was turning 12 because she said that it was her birthday today.
Idel? Mag-yum burger na po tayo.
It's rice.
No, it's yum burger.
Oh, okay.
Langap, sarap. Ito yung pag nakasakay mo sa bus, tapos may nagbukas ng yum burger. Ay, mamigay naman ho. Sino pa mga nakakollab ni Daddy?
Leslie something. Leslie something.
Les Lapang channel.
Oh, okay.
Yun yung latest nakakollab ni Daddy, di ba?
Yeah, you just did it last week. In your battle of fried chicken, it was Eric Mukbang. Eric Mukbang, every time, they usually have rice, and then they usually always eat in hands.
Anong pangalan ng wife ni Eric Mukbang?
Sis Dali. When I watched their mukbang, I saw your comment. Maraming salamat sa call na to, bro Eric at Sis Dali.
You remember that?
Yeah.
I think we're gonna finish the whole thing.
when mom and dad take out me Jollibee last week, I was, and then I opened it. I was like, what is this? Is this a waffle thingy? And then and then and then you told me it's crispy fries, and I finished the whole thing. When mom had it, I asked for it for more because it was kind of delicious.
Nagpapakute ka. Can I have some?
And when mom watches Korean drama, like the one called "It's Okay Not to Be Okay" or "Start Up," I was sometimes like, can I to watch TV? I think I'm also going to burp when we're done because when you finish the whole thing, when you were solo mukbang pa, you usually burp when you're done.
Pag wala na sa camera, no?
Yeah.
Tapos ano sinasabi ni Daddy? Yung sinasabi, so! Sinasabi ni Daddy?
Yes, even when we have family dinner and then you're done, you're like, oh, busog! But in your mukbang, it's, oh, busog. When we have family lunch or dinner, you said the busog the loudest than the mukbang.
How can we convince your mom to join us in a mukbang?
Yes, I even asked her to join by saying her favorite food, like want to have spicy chicken joy, want to have cheeseburger, want to have only fries, want to have spaghetti, want to have palabok.
Kasi tayo lang yung malakas kumain.
Yeah, when I usually be by myself and then I eat by myself, and then my nanny was there, I was just eating like this, because when my grandpa made a homemade fried chicken, I was like this, and then I was like, whoa, slow down.
Do I have something in my teeth? Is that funny?
Yes. Anyways.
Who's the funniest dad in the world?
You.
I'm the fattest dad in the world.
No, you said funny. Yes.
Okay.
Every time we go to bed, you usually like that. Every time we go to bed.
I make you cry.
Yes, and mommy was like, hey, we have to stop that.
Maubos natin, baby.
I'm not sure yet.
Istapegi. Ng mga bata kami, baby, we used to call it Istapegi.
I didn't know that you and mom were childhood friends. And then when you guys eat spaghetti, you usually say that. I didn't know
Baby,
that.
mga
Oh, by
Our
yourself. Oh, your friends usually say that when you guys all eat spaghetti. If you mix it too much, it kind of looks like samyang.
Paano nag-cry si Daddy dun sa, sa spicy challenge? Paano
The
nag-cry si Daddy?
Paki one chip.
Ano sabi ni Daddy?
When you ate the last one, that yours comes out. I don't want to join you because I don't want to show that to my friend that I was crying because of the hotness. I don't want to see that. It's embarrassing if I show it to my friends because she was my best friend when I was 2nd grade.
Search po tayo.
I haven't tried the peach mango pie ever since I started eating
Let me
the...
try it first. Baka mainit, mainit eh. No.
Oh gosh, the cheese is coming out over me.
It's not cheese, baby. It's peach. Peach mango.
Oh, okay.
One more?
I'm thinking for another battle of fried chicken, but I'm there.
Paano yung gusto mo na battle of fried chicken natin? How do you want it?
It's not really a battle of fried chicken because it's only 2, but because in that last battle of fried chicken, it's 3. We only have 2 because in every mukbang they have mini stop and 7-Eleven fried chicken, and they didn't have rice, they just have noodles. You just saw that video.
Yeah. I'll wait for you to finish so we can take the last bite together.
Girlie just was like this is her kind of bone in her Jollibee mukbang. And she was like licking it and saying, pinipilit kung wala may laman pa.
Ano sabi niyo sa mini stop, baby? Yung mini stop chicken mukbang niya.
Mini stop, Uncle George fried chicken, mukbang.
Mukbang. Tapos yung walang gravy, ano?
Eh.
Dami mo nakain! Dami mo nakain! Thank you si Mami, hindi kasama.
Mommy, see,
Natural.
Mami, may hinggit ko.
See, I told you, Mommy, you should just join us because the palabok was here earlier, but too bad Dad finished it.
Hindi tayo kasya dito, baby.
Oh.
Mommy is a slow eater.
Thank you for joining us on this mukbang. Sana nabusog kayo. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. And if you did, make sure to click on the subscribe button and notification bell and watch my other vlog right here para sama-sama tayo sa isa pang food trip. Thank you for watching.
And I'll see you in a bit.